साथियों नमस्कार। आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्वीकनेस, कूटनेस एंड मोमेंट। Sweetness. The word sweetness is used to denote the extent of symmetry in the data. The word sweetness is used to denote the extent of symmetry in data. When the frequency distribution is not symmetrical, it is said to be tweaked. Literally means tweakness is lack of symmetry. Symmetrical distribution has therefore zero sweetness. So sweetness is for asymmetrical distribution. Asymmetrical distribution, when presented on the graph paper, gives a symmetrical curves where the value of mean, median and mode are exactly equal. On the other hand, in asymmetrical distribution, value of mean, median and mode are not equal. Nature of sweetness. Sweetness can be positive, negative or zero. When the value of mean, median and mode are equal, there is no sweetness. Mean is equal to median is equal to mode, there is no sweetness. When mean is greater than median and median is greater than mode, when mean is greater than median and median is greater than mode, the sweetness will be positive. जब मीन ज़्यादा है, मीडियन उससे कम है और मोड उससे कम है, तो स्वीकनेस पॉजिटिव होगी. जब मोड सबसे ज़्यादा है, मीडियन उससे कम है और मीन सबसे कम है, तो स्वीकनेस नेगेटिव होगी. जब मीन सबसे ज़्यादा है तो स्वीकनेस पॉजिटिव होगी. जब मोड सबसे ज़्यादा है तो स्वीकनेस नेगेटिव होगी. That's why it will be written as when mean is greater than median and median is greater than mode, then sweetness will be positive. When mean is less than median and median is less than mode, then sweetness will be negative. Where mean, median, mode fail to coincide, both the median and mean are displaced from mode towards the sweet detail. जब मीन, मीडियन और मोड जो है कंसाइड नहीं होता है, तो मीडियन एंड मीन आर डिस्प्लेस्ड फ्रॉम द मोड. मोड से मीडियन और मीन जो है डिस्प्लेस्ड हो जाते हैं और उधर एक स्विक डिटेल रह जाती है. अब देखो, मीन इज ग्रेटर देन मीडियन एंड मीडियन इज ग्रेटर देन मोड, देन पॉजिटिव स्विक्ड होगी. अब इसी को उल्टा कहा था अपन ने, mean is greater than median, mean is less than median and median is less than mode, so negatively swept. Here the first quartile is displaced toward the swick detail. First quartile is displaced toward the swick detail. Therefore, Q3 minus Q2 is greater than Q2 minus Q1 is positively swicked. And when Q2 minus Q1 is greater than Q3 minus Q2, this is negatively swicked. Quartile के संदर्भ में ऐसा है. क्या है? Q3 minus Q2 is greater than Q1 and Q2 and Q1. Q1 minus Q1 is a positive sweep. Q2 minus Q1 is greater than Q3 minus Q2, negatively swept. Measure of sweetness. The measure of symmetry are normally called measure of sweetness. Measure of symmetry are normally called measure of sweetness. The measure of sweetness indicate not only the extent of sweetness in numerical expression, but also direction, the manner in which deviation is distributed. The absolute measures are known as measures of sweetness. It tells us the extent of symmetry, extent of asymmetry, whether it is positive or negative. Absolute sweetness is equal to mean minus mode. Mean is greater than mode, positively sweetness. Mode is greater than mean, is negative sweetness. Method of ascertaining sweetness. Sweetness can be stated graphically and mathematically. When we state sweetness graphically, we can find out whether sweetness is positive or negative or zero. This can be symmetrical. The value of mean, median and mode coincide. The spread of frequency is same on the both sides of the center of the point of the curve. Here you can watch this graph where mean is equal to median is equal to mode, x bar is equal to m is equal to z, then sweetness will be 0 and a symmetrical distributed curve is gain in symmetrical, sweetness 0. Asymmetrical distribution, when distribution which is not symmetrical is called sweet distribution. When distribution is not symmetrical is called swinged distribution. The frequency curve will be, such distribution is not symmetrical, bell-shaped curve. The curve stretches more on the one side than to the other side of the curves. One side will have a longer tail than the other side. Such swinged distribution could be either positively swinged or negatively swinged. This is the tail in positively swinged curve, and this one is tail. This side is negatively swinged, positively swinged. When median is greater than median is less than mode and mode is less than mean. The frequency curve positively swinged distribution. The frequency curve of the distribution which has longer tail towards the side. This is the longer tail towards the side of the curve. Such distribution is said to be positively swinged distribution. This is the positively swinged distribution. In words, greater range of values is spread on the high values end than the low values end. In a positively swinged distribution, the value of mean is maximum. You say x bar is maximum. Mean is maximum, then the low value end. The mean is maximum value of the mode is minimum or least, and the median lies between two values of the mean and mode. सेंटर में मीडियन है, मीडियन सेंटर में, और जो कि यह मोड से, मोड इज लेस देन मीडियन, मीडियन इज लेस देन मीन, मीन इज highest and mean is greater, then this is a positively swinged right side swinged and positively swinged कर्व हमें प्राप्त होता है। इस स्थिति में जब क्या होगा, मीडियन तो सेंटर में आएगा और इधर मोड आ जाएगा और इधर मीन आ जाएगा, मीन सबसे ज्यादा होगा इसमें। नेगेटिवली स्विंग्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन विच हैज ए लॉन्गर टेल टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड, लॉन्गर टेल लेफ्ट साइड है तो नेगेटिव स्विंग्ड है। नेगेटिव स्विंग्ड में भी मीडियन सेंटर में है, तो मीडियन सेंटर तो मीन जो है मिनिमम हो जाएगा, तो एक्स बार देखो ये एक्स बार इस साइड में आ गया और एक्स बार मिनिमम है, एक्स बार इज लेस देन मीडियन एंड मीडियन इज लेस देन मोड, तो जोइड सबसे ज़्यादा है, मोड सबसे अधिक है, मोड इस सेंटर में आ गया। तो ये कह रहा है द मीन इज मिनिमम, द वैल्यू ऑफ मोड इज मैक्सिमम एंड द मीडियन लाइज इन बिटवीन टू, तो ये नेगेटिवली स्विफ्ट कर्व हो गया, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव सर्व हो गया। मैथमेटिकल sweetness can be studied as absolute sweetness and coefficient of sweetness. Absolute, when the sweetness is present in absolute term, i.e. the unit, it is absolute sweetness. If the value of sweetness is obtained in ratios or percentage, it is called relative or coefficient of the sweetness. When sweetness is measured in absolute term, we can compare one distribution with the other if the units of the measurements are same. When it is percentage in ratio, the percentage comparison becomes easy. The relative measure of sweetness is also called coefficient of sweetness and is given by beta 1 is equal to mu 3 का whole square upon mu 2 का whole cube, and mu 3 is equal to third moment and second moment is equal to third moment is equal to second moment. There are important measures of relative sweetness. Mathematical measure of sweetness can be calculated by Bowley's methods and Carl-Pearson methods. First, the Bowley's method. Bowley's method in sweetness Q3 minus 2 Q2 plus Q1 upon Q3 minus Q1, the absolute sweetness Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median. Bowley's method of sweetness is based on the value of median, lower and upper quartile, and this method suffers from the same limitation which are in the case of median and quartile, where positional measures are given. Sweetness should be measured by Bowley's method. This method is also used in case of open end series where the importance of extreme value is ignored. Bowley's quartile coefficient of sweetness is equal to Q3 minus 2Q2 plus Q1 upon Q3 minus Q1. Q1 is first quartile, Q2 is third quartile. Absolute sweetness Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median. Coefficient of sweetness lies within the limit of plus minus 1. Carl-Pearson method. Carl-Pearson method suggested the formula when relationship of mean and median is established. Absolute sweetness is equal to mean minus mode. Carl Pearson coefficient of weakness SK, mean minus mode upon standard deviation SK, और SK 3 mean minus median upon standard deviation. Mean minus mode upon standard deviation, weakness 3 in bracket mean minus median upon standard deviation. The coefficient of weakness currently lies within +1. Cayley's coefficient of weakness Sk is equal to P90 plus P10 minus 2 median upon P90 minus P10. P10 is equal to 10%, P90 19th percentile, where relationship between mean and median is not established. Absolute weakness 3 in bracket mean minus median. Coefficient of weakness greatly lies within +3. Importance: it tells direction and extent of asymmetry in a series. It provides an idea about the nature and degree of concentration limit is kurtosis. In Greek language, it means bulginess. In statistics, it refers to the degree of flatness or peakedness in the region about the mode of frequency curve. Measure of kurtosis tell about the extent to which a distribution is more peaked or flat-topped than the normal curve. Leptokurtic. If the curve is more peaked than the normal curve, it is called leptokurtic. In such a case, items are more closely bunched around the mode. सेंटर में मोड आएगा, मोड से ये ऊपर उठ जाएगा ग्राफ, तो ये लेप्टोकुर्टिक कहलाएगा. प्लेटिकुर्टिक, इफ कर्व इज फ्लैट topped than the normal curve, it is called platykurtic. Mesokurtic, normal curve itself is known as mesokurtic. The condition of peakedness of the flat toppedness itself is known as kurtosis of excess. Major kurtosis is denoted by beta 2. In the normal distribution, beta 2 is equal to 3. If beta 2 is greater than 3, the curve is more peaked and it is known as leptokurtic. If beta is less than 3, the curve is flattened and top than the normal and it is named as platykurtic. Beta 2 is equal to mu 2 upon mu 4 ka whole square. It may be noted mu 4 is equal to absolute measure of kurtosis. Beta 2 is equal to relative measure of kurtosis. This is the पॉजिटिव कोर्टोसिस में कर्व ऊपर उठ जाता है, नेगेटिव कोर्टोसिस में ज़्यादा फ्लैट हो जाता है और मीजो कोर्टोसिस में सामान्य रहता है. डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस वीकनेस एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. वीकनेस इज शोज अप डिपार्चर फ्रॉम सिमेट्री आई डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेरिएशन. वीकनेस में डायरेक्शन ऑफ वेरिएशन है. डिस्पर्सन में इज शोज स्प्रेड द इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू अबाउट द मीन एंड सेंट्रल वैल्यू. Weakness shows whether the concentration is in higher or lower value. Dispersion shows the degree of variability. Weakness judges the difference between central tendency. Dispersion judges the truthfulness of a central tendency. Weakness is an average, but it is measured by mean, median, and mode. And dispersion is a type of average deviation, average of the second order. Weakness shows the symmetry, direction of variation. It shows whether the concentration is in a higher or lower limit. It judges the difference between the central tendency. It is not an average but is measured by use of mean, median and mode. Dispersion shows the spread of individual value about the mean and central value. Dispersion shows the degree of variability. Dispersion judges the truthfulness of the central tendency. Dispersion is a type of average division and average of the second order. And next आता है moment. It is generally used in physics, mechanics, but when it is applied in statistics, it describes the various characteristics of frequency distribution where central tender, dispersion, weakness, kurtosis. Moment can be defined as the arithmetic mean of various powers of deviation taken from the mean of distribution. Moment and measure. First moment about origin, mean. Second moment about mean, variation. Third moment about mean, weakness. Fourth moment about mean is kurtosis. याद रखना ये आएगा. फर्स्ट मोमेंट मीन, सेकंड मोमेंट वेरिएंस, थर्ड मोमेंट वीकनेस और फोर्थ kurtosis. मीन, वेरिएंस, वीकनेस, kurtosis. About moment about the mean. First moment of the frequency distribution, mu 1 upon capital S sigma in bracket x minus x bar is equal to 1 upon capital N sigma d. First moment is always mu is equal to 0. It means means of the distribution mu1 is equal to x bar is equal to 0. ये central portion of the graph को दिखाएगा. Second moment mu2 square is equal to sigma square division का square. Mu2 of the frequency distribution about the mean is the variance of the distribution. Mu2 is equal to 1 upon capital of sigma x minus x bar का in bracket whole square 1 minus n sigma d का square is equal to mu2 mu square is equal to sigma square is measures the variance of the spread of different item in a distribution. यहाँ हमने बता रखा है mu2 is variation, mu first moment mean, second moment variation, सेवन मोरियंस वेरिएशन है, इसके स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन का स्क्वायर कहलाएगा mu2 का स्क्वायर. एंड थर्ड mu3 is equal to 1 upon n sigma x minus x bar का होल क्यूब. फर्स्ट में देखो 1 upon n सिग्मा इन ब्रैकेट x माइनस एक्स बार है, सेकंड में सिग्मा x माइनस एक्स बार का होल स्क्वायर है, थर्ड में x माइनस एक्स बार का होल क्यूब है. 1 upon n सिग्मा d क्यूब आएगा. थर्ड दूसरे में d स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट में d, सेकंड d स्क्वायर, थर्ड d क्यूब इट डील्स विद सीक्वेंस. थर्ड d स्क्वायर इट इज गिवन अबाउट द डिग्री ऑफ सीक्वेंस प्रेजेंट. एंड फोर्थ मोमेंट mu4 is equal to 1 upon n sigma x minus x bar का whole 4 1 upon capital N sigma d4. It highlights on the height of the frequency distribution whether it is more peaked, flat or normal. Then it shows क्या leptokultic more peaked, mesokultic normal peak and platykultic less per peak is mesokulticis. Then first moment this explains the mean, second moment explain the variance, third moment weakness, or fourth moment kurtosis. This is all about the weakness, kurtosis and moments. भैया इस ग्राफ को याद रखना है, मीन मीडियन और मोड तीनों बराबर है तो ये वीकनेस कुछ नहीं होगी, जीरो रहेगी. और ये सिमेट्रिकल कर्व है. जो डाटा एसिमेट्रिकल है, सिमेट्रिकल में तो ऐसा ग्राफ आएगा, एसिमेट्रिकल में होएगा तो पूछ निकलेगी, राइट साइड में पूछ निकलेगी तो पॉजिटिव कर्व, लेफ्ट साइड में पूछ निकलेगी तो नेगेटिव कर्व. जो पॉजिटिवली कर्व है उसमें मीन जो है सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, मोड बीच में होगा नहीं, जो मीडियन बीच में मीन सबसे ज़्यादा और मोड सबसे कम है. और इसमें मीडियन तो बीच में ही रहेगा लेकिन यहाँ पर मोड सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, जेड सबसे ज़्यादा हो गया, मोड है जेड, और एक्स मीन जो है वो सबसे कम हो गया. मीन कम है तो नेगेटिवली और मीन जाता है तो पॉजिटिव स्वीक कर्व है. ठीक है, स्वीकनेस आ गया, इनके मेथड आ गए और इनका ये कर्व ये मैच करना आएगा. पॉजिटिवली कर्व को क्या कहेंगे, लेप्टोकुल्टिक, नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मिजोकुल्टिक और नेगेटिव को प्लेटिकुल्टिक. थैंक यू, हैव ए गुड डे.